Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is really scary, really scary, because I'm letting best friend drive my car down a multi-story. So it's gonna be like a little, it's gonna be a test for her. I'm setting her a challenge to do it. I have just tried coming down one, I've already scraped my splitter. So I'm gonna leave her to do it. I've showed her how to drive my car. I'm just gonna shut the door. She's gonna test to drive my car now. Right. No, you're gonna test it. Drive. Oh my god, I'm really scared. I'm really scared. She drives. This is the first time, and I'm actually gonna stall. Don't stall my car, please. Underneath.
Alright, there we go.
Why? You taller than me.
No, but you sit well far.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
Like setting off.
Can't what? Why are you gonna stall?
No, but I just want to test it first before you.
I'll cut it out. Be careful. Oh my god, she is so gonna kill herself in that. What? It's beeping.
It was like, have you got your key on you?
Here we go. Oh my god, this is not good. I'm so nervous. I can't believe this is a challenge I've set her. I can't go. Why is my fog light on?
I haven't touched anything.
There we go. Right, are you ready for this?
No, not really.
Are you not ready?
No, I am ready.
I'll have to guide you down the first one. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. So, challenge number 1 is to go down this without scraping my splitter. Oh, I'm so nervous. Look how beautiful it is. Very slowly. Start turning left now. Yeah, this way. Left. Reverse. You're gonna get the splitter. Right, now straight on a little bit. Carry on turning right. You're so close. Carry on. Right. You should see how close you are. Reverse straight back. Right, go back and take it wide. What?
Your wheel was like on lock all the way.
Right, reverse right back and then come down close to that side. You what? What did you say?
Don't clean your back window, you finger. I literally can't see anything.
Why did you see through it?
Because there's a wall behind me.
There you go. So turn right now. And then carry on coming down, yeah? You've got it right. Right more. out. Straighten out wheels, yeah. Yeah. And then right round. You've done number 1. Start turning now. Coming down. Yeah. Turn more. Straighten out a little bit, straighten out. Yeah. That was perfect. Mind my wheel! Now straighten out.
I'm actually you over. It's horrible. I don't want to do another one. You keep showing up.
Oh yeah, you actually are, don't you? Oh my god. Oh, this is not good at all. More to the right. More to the left. Right, now stay straight. Start turning to the left. Have you? Yeah, sorry Delta, my splitter is now completely gone. Well, you're doing well at the challenge, considering you never drove it before. You were so close hitting it. Yeah, right now more to the right, left, that way. Straight. Just straighten up now, you'll be fine. Yeah, and then more to this side. That was perfect. I'm on edge. She's actually giving up on me. Send it! Or not. Send it! Yeah, so am I.
Right, I've got this one. I've got it now.
Have you got it really?
No, I actually have. I've got it now. I've got it.
To be fair, you actually did have that one.
Oh, would you look at that? That was beautiful. I'll pick the car behind me. I've got this one.
Whoa! My wheel nearly! Oh, for fuck's sake! You went past it! And my camera's well blurred. It's not.
I don't know where to go now. It's stuck. Where do we go?
We need to get a photo of you with the car now. We need good lighting.
Do you want me to like stop on this light where that light is?
Oh, can we come down? Do one coming down and we'll get a photo in front of it. You up? Have you got this? You didn't angle it, but okay. Well, you missed it. You won't make that. So that is the video over and done with Emily today. So she's achieved the challenge. She did well. Yes, that was just a quick video, guys. Keep liking, commenting, subscribing. See you all soon.